everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Wendy. This is Will's Mountain Homestead, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today is April 8th. It is the day of the eclipse, and where I am located at in south central Pennsylvania, it is very overcast today, so it's a great day to be outside and get some of my early spring crops planted today because it has stopped raining and things have dried out a bit. So let me show you what we've done so far and what we're gonna finish up here today. This first bed that I have planted is mainly lettuce and spinach varieties. And I have them spaced out a little odd, but I think it's enough for them to expand and grow and gives them plenty of room. This is a great time to get your peas planted, your carrots in, beets, and a lot of your lettuces and spinach. Now, with some of our tender lettuces, I do have some plastic covering that I'm going to be using. And I bought this at Walmart, and it was in the painters section. So it's not greenhouse plastic, but it is thick enough to keep the frost off of the plants themselves and, you know, provide a little extra protection for those tender plants. I'm getting my peas planted today. Now I already have the M.I. Gardner peas already planted, and these ones are ones I just picked up just to have some extras because we do like homegrown peas. And we're going to place these on our trellises so that way they can climb up and have something to grab onto. I have dug a trench the whole way down the bottom of the panel there. And you guys, it's really easy as taking your seeds and just spacing them, you know, just a little bit apart. Doesn't have to be an exact science because they're all just going to grow up and attach to the cattle panel. The other thing I want to get planted today and in the ground are my elderberry bushes. And these were delivered from realtrees.com, and they send those out whenever it is planting time in your season. Now, they were shipped to us the day before my daughter and I left for our little spring break vacation that we took. So they have been inside for a couple of days, and then my husband brought them outside to harden them off. So they have experienced the lower evening temperatures to get accustomed to that. So we're gonna get those put in the ground too. So let's go. All right, guys, that does it for today. That's all the planting that we're gonna be doing. And it's gonna be a while yet until I get our brassicas in, probably another week and a half. I need to harden them off, and it's gonna take some time to do that. So that'll be the next planting video that I have. Everything else is coming along great. Our plants are doing phenomenal this year. So hopefully the growing process, once they're in the ground, does just as well as it's doing inside. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care, God bless, and y'all, we'll see you next time. Bye.